Let's go through a free pattern roundup for November. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and I have a Pinterest board under the name Emmy Designs, which has different free patterns that I have found throughout the year. So this has actually been a ongoing trend that I've been doing where each month I find about 5 or 6 different free patterns and add them to my Pinterest board. So the link to this will be in the description of this video. And this month, pattern for November relate to sort of Christmas or holiday items, as well as just a few little items you could make around your house. And of course, we do have one quilt. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item is this really fun little cat stocking pattern. So this is a paw print that you could make your own cat stocking. I thought that it was really cute and would be a really fun way, especially if you had any fuzzy material on hand. She includes everything that you will need for this, including a template, and I did check and the template does work. So if you click that, it will open to the template for you, which is really helpful. This is what the template's going to end up looking like. It's exactly the same, and then she walks you through step by step with pictures for how to put this together. I think this could also be fun to gift somebody who maybe got a cat this year, just as a small little token for them to give to their furry friend. But again, overall, this seems really straightforward, pretty simple. There is that little bit of embroidering or almost like top stitching that you're doing for the paw print itself, but nothing too bad. And then you just kind of fold over that little top portion to make it look like the cute stocking that it is. And then of course you could make this be whatever colors you would want to match their personality. So don't worry though, I did not forget about the dogs as I found this cute little dog bone stocking as well. So I think that very similar to the cat stocking, this would be perfect for if you have any puppies or if you know somebody who recently got a dog this year, you could make this for them. So for this pattern, very similar to the other pattern as far as it has all the instructions for you. This one, which was even really nice about it, was that it even came with a video, so you could watch the video if that's more of how you like to learn how to sew different items. It does include everything that you will need, including the amount of fabrics for each, and then she walks you through the process of cutting all of it out, how you work with the different materials. This one does require fusible fleece as she's just using cotton fabric, but again, if you used a thicker material, you could probably skip that. And then she just shows how you finish it all together and how everything works to become that one stocking, which I think is really fun and could just be really cute for the holiday season. Now the pattern piece for this is included in this write-up. You'll see it's listed here and it's going to be in like that red underline. So if you click that, it will pull up. It's 2 different pieces. You can tell she just free-handed it, but this is exactly all that you would need. So now let's move on to potentially some little stocking stuffers that could be great for the holidays. The first I found is these little cord wrappers. I think that especially if you were going to be giving some electronics for the holidays, this could be a fun little thing to store in their stockings. You could use so many different fun colors of fabric, so many different fun materials. You're going to click that blue link and that will take you to the full directions for this pattern. Now for this write-up, she does include a pattern piece, but at the bottom she also includes just the exact measurements that she used and then the rounded edges so that you don't actually need to print off any other material. You can just use those dimensions to make it yourself. I think I'm probably going to try to make quite a few of these because I know I have a lot of cords and I think it'd be great to also give to others. Now the next stocking stuffer idea I had was I found this cute little bird ornament, so I think that these could be fun to either put maybe on your gift boxes as just a little decoration. This could be used as an ornament just for your tree, or it could be put into a stocking as a small little gift. There's not too many pieces needed for this. She just has those 3 pieces of material and then walks you step by step through how to make this. So very easy, very straightforward pattern. And then at the end, she does include those pattern pieces. So you just click that picture and you will get a much larger expanded version that you're able to print out. So overall, a really fun idea. I think you could probably make these pretty quickly and could have a lot on hand that you could give out to others or you could use for decorating your own tree, depending on what you're looking for. Next up, so I found this really cute frog doll pattern. I thought that they looked so fun and I definitely think I'm going to be making one of these because I do know some people in my family who love little frogs, but I thought that this was really cute, especially with the scarves and that you could potentially have these out, like you do Christmas, especially if you give it like a wintry scarf, and then I feel like they could kind of go into the spring as well, so it could be a fun little decoration. It does include the pattern piece for exactly how to make all of this, which was great that that was included for free. And then of course you have the write-up of how much you'll need for everything, and you can follow through step by step on how to make this cute little frog. She even includes some tips for some of those smaller items that we're having to turn. So this seems like a really great straightforward pattern that I think would be really fun to try to put together. And then of course these could also be fun for gifts to give others, especially if they're into gardening or outdoorsy. Like the frog's just like a really cute little natural looking item. Then finally, I do have one quilt block, so in case you're getting started on some of your winter designs, this one is much more just related to snowflakes. So I thought that this was a really fun way to do this white and blue alternating pattern. So if you had a lot of these two materials on hand, this would be very quick and simple to put together. She even shows you the exact measurements that you will need for each one, and then how everything kind of comes nicely into that snowflake look at the end. So I thought this was really fun. I probably will be trying it out a little bit later on. I hope though that you enjoyed some of these patterns. There's so many different ones I found this month. I really tried to keep it very versatile depending on what you're looking for. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next and what patterns you want for December. Thanks for watching.